If you want to spend hundreds of hours learning AI in 2026 and make $0 in 2027, this video is for you. I'm an economist who runs an AI consulting practice, and after exhaustively studying the AI automation landscape, I've identified the 5 key pillars to guarantee that 2026 is the last year you make a dollar with AI. So for all you N8N bros and vibe coders out there ready to make $0 in 2027, let's get into it. The first key pillar is to avoid Claude Code. There are non-technical people right now who have never written a line of code in their lives who are shipping full-blown applications with Claude Code. Do not become one of them. Whatever you do, don't join communities where people are actually building things with Claude Code, who are trying, breaking, failing, and getting up and then trying again. Instead, what you should keep doing is using N8N. Keep just dragging those little nodes around and then go on the N8N subreddit and comment, "Oh, great workflow, bro, love it, amazing. Can you share the JSON?" The only way you should ever use large language models is through a web UI. That's clearly the best way to do it. Just go in there, ask it for a JSON, get a broken JSON back, and then go and twiddle around with brackets, because the real joy of AI automation is making sure that all of your brackets line up. And if you do decide to get anywhere near code, the only way you should ever use it is with Bolt or Replit or V0. Because part of the joy of vibe coding is never actually finishing your project. Isn't it so fun to just keep yelling at these vibe coding tools and then never getting any results? That's the path forward to making no money with AI in 2027. Pillar 2, prepare extensively before ever touching Claude Code. Claude Code is extremely dangerous. You could accidentally build something useful your first day using Claude Code. So before you ever open a terminal, make sure that you watch every single YouTube video that exists about it, including all of mine, of course. Read the entire documentation cover to cover. Join at least 5 Discord servers and lurk for 3 months minimum. Wait for someone to release a course. Build a Notion database to track your learning journey, and then make a whole content calendar to blog about the process. And maybe even start a podcast about learning Claude Code. Whatever you do, do not just type Claude into the terminal and then ask it to help you build something. That's dangerous. You would be going in without a plan. You would get feedback from your failures, and then you would learn something, and then you might make money in 2027. We can't have that. We're trying to make money now, and we don't care about 2027, because who cares about the future? Pillar 3 is to stay scared of the terminal. The terminal is an extremely dangerous place. It's a blank screen with text on it. Anything could happen there. Anything at all. As a non-technical person, you should never explore outside your comfort zone. That would be very dangerous. You might become someone who makes money in 2027. Instead, if you ever use AI to build anything, the tool to use is definitely Microsoft CoPilot inside VS Code. There must be a reason why every shitty, gigantic, bureaucratic enterprise is adopting Microsoft CoPilot. They don't want to make money in 27, and neither do you. Now, maybe if you want to get a little bit frisky and risk making a few bucks, you could use anti-gravity. But that's also a little bit of a risk. I don't know if you want to go there. The best play in 2027 is definitely just to stay with N8N. Keep fiddling around with those nodes. That experience definitely translates to building more significant things in 2026. Pillar 4, never build an actual front end. Some people build automations for their clients and create a single front-end interface in which their clients can do everything. Definitely don't do that. Your clients might actually use the software that you build for them. Instead, what you should make sure is your client has to set up OAuth connections to their Google Drive, their Slack, their Telegram, their Airtable, their Notion, their calendar, and their grandmother's pacemaker, all in order to use your N8N workflow that you've made for them. The only front end you need is Telegram. Non-technical business owners really love using Telegram in 2026. That's how you make sure that 2027 is the year you make nothing. The last pillar is to spend all your social media time on LinkedIn and not on X. X is where everybody is discussing the frontier of agentic coding. You have legends like Andrei Karpathy, Boris Chernsky, and even Elon Musk and other executives discussing on a daily basis the frontiers of what they're learning and seeing in agentic coding. You definitely want to stay far the fuck away from that because you're trying to make no money in 2027. So what you should definitely do is spend your time on LinkedIn instead, because it's just so much fun in 2026 to be one AI bot with a bunch of AI spam talking and commenting on other AI bots with AI spam. That's really where you're going to get a lot of value in finding clients in 2026. You'll find middle management complaining about AI, writers talking about how AI will never replace them. These are people who really have their heads screwed on straight right now in 2026. Exactly the types of people that you want to sell end-to-end workflows to. They love setting up OAuth connections. All right, so we've covered the 5 pillars to making sure you make no money in 2027. But the last one, what you should absolutely avoid, is not joining my school community, where you have almost 1,000 non-technical and technical people alike learning the frontiers of agentic coding and making money right now in 2026, setting themselves up to make a lot more in 2027. That's dangerous. Do not join the school server that's linked down in the subscription below. Do not go look at my tutorials about Claude Code, which I've made available for free, also linked down in the subscription below. Don't do any of that because you want to make $0 in 2027. If you want to make $0 in 2027, like and subscribe to this video. If you'd want to make a lot of money in 2027, like and subscribe to this video. If you hate Indians, like and subscribe to this video. If you're an economist, like and subscribe to this video. Just like and subscribe. Thank you.